Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to share your Pokemon card collection from the Collectr app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to share a collection because maybe you're trying to sell it, or maybe you just want to simply show someone else your collection from the Collectr app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Collectr app. Next, click on Profile in the bottom right-hand corner. Now, from here, you're going to click on Settings. Now, on the option where it says Portfolio Sharing, you can toggle this on or off. We could actually go ahead and copy this link, and you can see the link has been copied. Now, if we go into our notepad, this is the link that's actually going to take you to your profile and share your collection. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and share your Pokemon card collection from the Collectr app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.